Hello guys, this is fairbinaryoptions.com and this is the daily analysis that we are doing here on fairbinaryoptions.com. It is Sunday, the 6th of April, and I would like to talk about the Great Britain pound US dollar. This is a currency pair. I would say that it is a crucial point, and I would like to buy put options heading into next week. And I'm going to go with you a bit through the reasoning of those put options and why interested in that option. Normally this is the daily chart. As you can see, we are not trading the daily chart, but we're starting with the daily chart as I want to show you where price is. So price is at this trend line here, and this trend line is quite important in the sense that it has been validated for so many times. From here price goes to the upside in a corrective manner, I might say, comes to this trend line, retest it again. So we have a series of three. So this is the important or the starting moment, and from that moment of time we have one low here, a higher low, price rejected and makes a new high. This is another higher low, price rejected, but it's not making a new high, at least not yet. So what I'm looking for here is for the Great Britain pound US dollar actually to go and bounce a bit and then to buy them put options. If you take a look here, we have a classical, I would say, contracting triangle here that is broken and retested. Let me change the color for it so that we know that this is contracting triangle like this. So this one to go A, B, C, D, E, so a small contracting triangle broken to the downside, retested, and then we have this situation here. Now some of you might say, well, this is an inverse head and shoulder, with this being the left shoulder, the head, and then the right shoulder. Well, I don't think so, but nevertheless I would like to buy put options on a retracement a bit higher. Now let's go on the lower time frames. Let's go, and this is the 4-hour chart. The retracement a bit higher should be given by these areas here. If you take a trend line from here to here like this, and you imagine that this is the possible or the potential head and shoulder, and this would be the neckline here projected to the downside, I would look to buy them put options when this trend line is retested. So looking for price actually to do something like this. So here was a bounce, here was another bounce. I'm looking for price to come and do something like this. So above 166, once again, let me take a polyline. Above 166 once again, and then to come and break this trend line. The break to the trend line should not go more or below the previous low, as the trend line needs to be retested. And here, when it comes here, I would like to buy some call options, but that's another story. So the going should be something like this, most likely. So let's write on the screen a bit what is our plan here. Well, we're planning to buy put options by the time. So this is 166.35. The price is 65.60. So don't be picky in looking for exact values, but I would say buying put options above the 1.66, and I will choose expiration date, end of week expiration date. So buying put options with end of week expiration date when price is reaching the 1.662040 area. Now let's clarify a bit the expiration date and this end of week. What does it mean? Well, it means that if it comes if this area comes, let's say this Monday, tomorrow, then we'll buy the put options with end of week expiration date. So for Friday at the time or when the US markets are closing. If this is coming on Tuesday or Wednesday, no worries, we're still buying for Friday. So actually we are not waiting for 1 week for the option to expire or to see if the option expired in the money or not. But what we are waiting is only for closing on Friday in the United States, and therefore we'll see if the option expired in the money or not. Thank you very much for being here. This was the Great Britain Pound US Dollar. A bit bearish, I would say, but not just when the gates are opening on Monday. Probably on Tuesday or even Wednesday, price will get to 66, 20, 40 area, and then we should look to buy put options. Thank you very much for being here. fairbuyingoptions.com, and all this analysis and recommendations are possible due to the help of our sponsor, Lion Eye. Bye bye.